you can almost count the revolutions or the few revolutions that it needs to read the table of contents. What we have here, my friends, is a progress video about my work on transport. So what I'm going to use here is a player with BU1 or KSS 198, they're very similar. And I'm feeding digital output to those players to make it a transport. And where I'm at is I have a nice sync there, you can see on Toslink. You know, if I move it to XLR or coaxial, I'll get an error. So the Toslink is nicely synced. And if I go to SPDIF, it's nice and square. It's one of the best, traces I've ever seen. Very little overshoot, it's just almost magic. So, what's the problem? Well, the problem is that if I switch to the actual DAC output, I get no sound. This is just playing through analog outputs. And my problem here is that that board needs a master clock signal. And I don't have a master clock in here. Master clock is not necessary for I2S communication. So this is my request. How do I easily generate a master clock? Master clock is that I need is 11.2896 megahertz, and it's 8 times a bit clock, or 256 times word select. So if anybody out there knows how to easily get a multiplier here by 8 from bit clock signal to the master clock, please let me know, and that will pretty much be ready. So thank you very much for your attention, and till the next one. Bye bye.